Introduction. Hi friends, we eat food every day for energy for the proper growth of our body. We can say that healthy food makes our body healthy. Come on, let's know more about the food we eat. Objectives. At the end of this course, you'll be able to define food and its types, describe the importance of water in diet, know about the importance of food hygiene, explain the safety and storage of food. To be healthy, we need different types of foods. Do you know that food contains many essential nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins? We can divide the food into three main groups: energy-giving food, body-building food, and protective food. Friends, as I told you earlier that we need energy to perform various tasks. Mainly, we get energy from energy-giving foods. Foods such as carbohydrates and fats provide us instant energy, and hence they are also known as energy nutrients. Food also helps in the proper growth of our body. The food rich in proteins is called body-building food. Such food strengthens our bones and muscles. Let us know about the protective food. This kind of food protects us from diseases. It makes our body disease-resistant. The food which provides protection to our body is called protective food. Protective foods are rich in vitamins and minerals. Now it's time to check your understanding. There is an incorrect word in the box. Rectify the error and fill the following blanks. Friends, do you know the fact that besides food, our body also needs plenty of water every day? You can also notice that many drinks contain water in them. Do you know that if we do not drink enough water regularly, especially on hot days, we may fall ill? So we should drink 4 to 6 glasses of water every day. Now coming on to the next topic, are you scared of germs? They are everywhere and can make you ill. So we should follow some simple rules or steps to protect ourselves from diseases. Wash hands thoroughly with soap before and after meal. Cut short your nails regularly. Eat raw fruits and vegetables after washing them with clean water. Eat freshly cooked food and try to avoid dirty or stale food. Let's know about the safety and storage of food from spoiling. Boiling of water makes it germ-free. Refrigerators keep the food cold and safe from germs. Wash fresh fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Food should be covered with protected foil, cloth or lid. Friends, now it's time to have some fun. Drag and drop the options to fill up the blanks. Summary. Now friends, let's summarize what we have learned. Food is made up of many nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Food can be divided into three main groups: energy-giving food, body-building food, and protective food. We also need plenty of water every day. We should store food hygienically to keep it germ-free.